So, progress. I managed to get the flywheel free because tilting the engine meant it was resting a little bit on the flywheel, at least touching it, touching the floor. Here I scraped up a little bit of the blue paint of the silencer, but that's the least of my worries. So let's have a look at the gearbox. So I made some progress. I was able to remove the chain. Here's actually the chain link. The chain link lock here is on this side of the chain. Not here, but on this side. So I use this little mirror to find it. And I remove the gear, which in my opinion looks perfectly fine. And here is the clutch. Engaged, engaged. Let's turn on the light from the iPhone.